Welcome back, everyone. This is just going to be a short video to kind of recap the process I've been doing, cleaning up some of the debris and junk underneath the shop. When my father and I tore out the original floor, we found a bunch of debris underneath it, mostly glass, some bits of metal like nails. Since we took the roof off and I can see a lot better in here, I've been going through more and cleaning. We originally filled about 1.5 buckets worth of glass and nails. I filled another bucket, pulled some big rocks out of the floor, but I also want to show some of the other stuff that we've been finding. So I found a whole bunch of bottles like this. I think I found 5 intact, but I found a lot of broken ones. And I know this sounds really weird, but I found enough of them right under the floor joists. I can't imagine they would have used these to prop up the building, but it's still odd. I also found this, which I believe it's copper, and this was right under the door frame. One of the posts, like right under the sill. It's just really strange to me why this would be there. It almost seems like they used it to help prop up under the building. I've found tons of glass in the floor, lots of nails and stuff. I've moved out a bunch of big rocks. So this is just a short video to recap some of that process. I've done it pretty intermittently, which is why you'll see me wearing different t-shirts. So now that the roof is off, I can see a lot better inside here. So I've been cleaning up some, taking out some of the big rocks. And since we've had the roof off, I've dug all this glass and like old nails and pieces of metal and stuff out of the floor. One of the bottles I found today. I believe it says Hand Medicine Company, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That's kind of cool. This is the oddest thing I've found digging through the shop so far. It's a tiny little porcelain girl figurine. So these are some of the rocks that I've dug out of the floor. I'm going to be digging out some of the floor, filling it with crushed stone, and then putting sand and my bricks on top of it. So I don't want these big rocks in the way. I still got some more work to do. I just figured I'd share some of what I'm doing to kind of go through and get stuff ready to continue on and turn this into my shop. So I think that's going to do it for today. Thanks again for watching. If you missed the last video of us taking the roof off, then please click the link to watch that video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, as that would help me out and it would keep you up to date as to new videos that I put out with fixing up this shop and projects that I'm working on.